Hello, everybody. My name is Brittany, and I am in my last semester, um, BMSW Advanced Standing Program. So I'll be graduating in May. I still need to take this class and a few others, so here I am taking it. As far as my past experiences, years ago, I worked at a outpatient program for patients that had mental health diagnoses to come, and they did like groups. Then there was a doctor that came in once a week, and so they could see their doctor there, and he could prescribe their medications. He also could basically see how they were doing. My role was basically to co-facilitate the groups. They were like educational groups to the patients about their mental illnesses that ranged from depression, anxiety, schizophrenia, borderline personality disorder. They didn't really have any substance abuse issues, so that's an area I'm not familiar with. My job was just to tell the doctor if they've been coming to group, how their symptoms have been, like do they seem themselves, do they seem any different? And then of course if they report to me anything, I'd have to report it to the treatment team. And then the doctor would go from there and make a final decision on like his diagnosis or um, what he needs to do for each client. Um, it's been years, like I said, so this DSM-5 will probably be a great refresher for me, and I'll probably learn a lot of things I didn't know. So I'm looking forward to the class, and good luck to everybody.